Welcome. Thank you for watching this video presented by CostStoreFixtures. Questions should be emailed to CostStoreFixtures@outlook.com. This application uses the Microsoft Excel spreadsheet program. Microsoft and Excel are trademarks and property of Microsoft Corporation. A Microsoft Corporation license is required to use the Excel program. The instruction example covers foundation principles and demonstrates the process by calculating the cost of a pedestal fixture step by step. Each instruction example consists of a macro button and a cell comment. To read the text of the macro before clicking the button, hover over the cell to the right of the button and the text of the macro is displayed. Complete the instruction example to develop an understanding and proficiency at preparing a cost workup. The instructions example is on the instruction sheet. The instruction sheet is the window currently displayed. The example starts at row 157. To get to the example, click the fourth button labeled B.000 Example Cost Workup Pedestal. The focus of step 1 of the 3 steps is on the principles of this process and how to enter dimensions on the single project dimensions sheet. Example item 1.2.45 Input Base Glass Top Width in cell Q480. The glass top purpose is decorative and functional, not structural. The cost of glass is covered in detail on the cost workup sheets. The base glass top is a detailed dimension, not a primary dimension. One aspect of the layout design used in this app is to mimic the feature shape or order as it will be fabricated. The dimensions of each piece of glass are entered. Enter the dimensions by clicking the button DMNS, S1, BSE, GLS, TP. The base glass top is located in the lower area of the fixture. Therefore, within the group of detailed dimensions, the base glass top is lower in the list of dimensions. Detailed dimensions are situated between row 59 to 632. Exit the macro after reading the message by clicking the OK button. Enter the amount specified by the macro. Width is the dimension from left to right. In cell Q480, enter the width dimension 16 inches. After entering base glass top width, return to the instruction sheet by selecting the tab to the left along the bottom of the window. This example 1.2.45 is completed. Continue the instructions example by clicking item 1.2.46.